Good morning, boys and girls. Hey, it's Mrs. Olin, and I wanted to talk to you. Usually, I talk to you about sounds and about words and reading. Today, we're going to talk about some letters. We're going to talk about what you've been doing in your class. You've been doing some A, B, C order. So, I wanted to talk a little bit about that. So if you're at home and let's say your room's kind of a mess, your parents might say, you need to go to your room and clean your room. It's a mess. It's a terrible, terrible mess. So then what you would need to do is you would take all of your pillows, put them on your bed. You would take your books, put them on a bookshelf. You would take your toothbrush, put it with your toothpaste. So you would organize and you would put your room in order and then it would be clean. Our alphabet, our words that we write have an order because we have an alphabet and it goes according to that alphabet order. But something that you learned probably even before the alphabet, our first order, usually that we learn, is numbers. So I'm going to show you some numbers, how this is order. Okay, so here we have some numbers. Oops, up here we have a number line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this is order 1 to 25. And we always start, well, we usually start at 1. That's usually the beginning of our order. Now we could have some mixed up numbers. If I want to put these numbers in order, are they in order right now? No, they're not. Order would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So would 4 or 1, which one comes first? 1 comes first. 1, what would come next? 4 or 2? My 2 would come next. 1, 2. I need my 3. And then 4. So now my numbers are in order 1, 2, 3, 4. I could do the same thing with like 13, 14, 15, 16, or even if they didn't match up, I could do like 13, 17, 21, 25. Those are numbers that go from the smallest, from the beginning to the end. Now, that can also work with letters when we have our alphabet. We have our alphabet with our A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is our order for the alphabet. The letters are in order from the beginning to the end of the alphabet. So if I wanted to put these letters in order, I'm going to do it from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to put some letters up here. So I have some letters up here. I'm going to look at my alphabet and see if they're in order. C, A, B, D. Are those in order? No. What's my first letter in the alphabet? It's an A. Do I have an A? Here's an A right here. A, B. Oh, here's my B. I'm going to put that next. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Are they in order now? Yes, they are. They're in order. Now this is nice and neat because there's A, B, C, D. Sometimes letters or words might be mixed up. So we might have some letters like this. Do I have an A? No. What about it? I have N-E-J-L. I have an A? No, what about a B? No, what about a C? No, D? No, an E? Oh, I do have an E. So that's the first letter that I have is an E. I'm going to keep going. Do I have an F? No. G? No. H? No. An I? No. J? Oh, I do have a J. That will come next. K? No. L? Oh, I do have an L. This is my last one. So now they're not in order, but this goes from the beginning of the alphabet towards the end of the alphabet. E, J, L, N. And I just used my alphabet and I looked at the letters to see, do I have this, 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 or this? Now, what kids are doing this week is they're taking words and they're putting them in A, B, C order. So you might have a word like pig, jam, top, and cat. And you might think, oh my word, how do I put this in ABC order? I'm going to show you what you need to do. And it's just like what we just did. I'm going to take this word, and the only letter, usually the only letter you have to look at is the first one. So I'm going to highlight the very first letter. I could circle it or highlight it. For this word, I'm going to highlight. And I'm using a highlighter. I could use a crayon. I could use my pencil and just circle it. I'm just going to look at that very first letter. I'm going to look at this, just the first letter. Usually, I just have to look at the first letter. And then my first letter is a C. So now that I figured out which letter I need to look at, I'm going to do the same thing. I have an A. Nope. A B. Nope. A C. Oh, I do have a C. I'm going to put my C over here. I have a D. Nope. E. F. G. H. I. Nope. J. There's a J. I'm going to move my J over. K. L. M. N. Nope. O. P. Oh, here's a P. So then I know this one's going to be last. So usually all you have to look at is that first letter. And then now my words are in A, B, C order. I have my C, my J, my P, my T. And guess what? You guys have an alphabet line on your desk. Use that when you're doing your A, B, C order. You could just use that. So friends, here are some tips in doing A, B, C order. All right, we'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.